Hi, and welcome to American Vintage Audio. I want to do this little demo video so you can see this beautiful Pioneer SX-980 receiver that we just got done doing a full refurb on. And I just want to do a little light up and play, and just so you can see the unit in action. Everything we sell has been gone through 100%. Details will be in the auction or ad. So let's just give it a listen so you can see. First thing we're going to listen to is the phono. I have that selected. Here we go. And now we're going to switch to FM, local station.
MassSave.com/heat loan for full details. MCU, your community credit union. Federally insured by NCUA, Equal Housing Lender, member MSIC, NMLS number.
And last, we're going to switch to aux. Little Fleetwood Mac, tribute to Christine McVie, who we just lost sadly.
There's not another living soul around. You woo me until the sun comes up, and you say that you love me.
And I'm just going to take you around back so you can see what we've done in the back. There's the company right there. If you have any questions, call or email me. And this is a nice collectible receiver if you're familiar with the Pioneer SX series. And good luck bidding or purchasing. Thanks for your time.